An old engineer once said, "Civilizations don't collapse because they run out of land, they collapse when they run out of water." He was right. From ancient Mesopotamia to modern megacities, every era survived or died based on how well engineers managed water. And that responsibility is now shifting to you, the next generation of civil engineers. All lectures in this Civil Engineering Master Series are available on the Learning Studio for fast, simple, exam-ready explanations. 1. What water resources engineering really is. It's the science of collecting, storing, distributing, and controlling water. This includes rivers, rainfall, groundwater, dams, canals, spillways, reservoirs, and even flood control systems. This subject is the backbone of agriculture, urban development, power generation, flood safety, drinking water supply, climate-resilient infrastructure. For exams, hydrology and dams appear every single year, and they're extremely scoring. 2. Hydrology fundamentals, rain, runoff, and rivers. Hydrology tells us how water moves in nature. Rainfall, infiltration, runoff, storage. Core concepts you must know. Types of rainfall. Rainfall measurement, gauges, Thies and polygons. Infiltration, runoff estimation, hydrographs. Flood frequency analysis. Every flood warning system, every reservoir plan, and every drainage solution begins with these basic hydrology principles. 3. Dams and reservoirs. Dams aren't just walls. They are massive engineering systems designed to store water, generate electricity, and prevent floods. Important exam content. Types of dams: gravity, arch, buttress, earthen, spillways, and energy dissipation. Reservoir storage: dead, live, useful. Failure modes of dams. Sedimentation issues. Why you should care. One design error can wipe out entire towns. That's how serious dam engineering is. Number 4. Canal systems and irrigation engineering. Canals are the lifelines of agriculture in many countries. You need to understand canal types: perennial, inundation, lined, unlined, canal losses, seepage, evaporation, duty, delta, base period, command area, CCCA, ICA, cross sections, and lining. Even in the exam, canal hydraulics and irrigation terms are always repeated. In the field, good canal planning means higher crop yield and stable food supply. 5. Why water resources engineering matters. This branch isn't just technical, it's deeply connected to human survival. The world is facing water scarcity, groundwater depletion, floods due to climate change, rising population demand. Engineers who understand water systems will shape the future of sustainable cities, agriculture, and disaster management. This subject prepares students for careers in dams, irrigation departments, hydropower, flood control, environmental planning, and climate risk assessment. Next, we'll explore quantity surveying and cost estimation, another high-demand exam topic and industry-critical skill. For more sharp, exam-driven civil engineering videos, follow the Learning Studio and be a part of the global education movement by sharing this series with your peers.